So
this was like unexpected.
Yeah.
Completely.
Totally unexpected. ഞാനും അവളും രണ്ടുപേരും
Never
marriage
expected.
love marriage we didn't believe in that. Then later it was like we met each other, then we are like we wanted to know more about each other. And then slowly we are like, yes, why not?
अधिक स्वरातुति शारद नमोस्तुते श्यामाम्बरं मुखसागरं तुलसीदलं
I think 2 years back I came to Guruvayur for the first time. So I was seeing all the weddings and all. I was like, I don't want to get married here. So much rush and everything.
शुभदमाङ्गल्यं तन्तुनानेन मम जीवनहेतुना तन्तुनानेन मम जीवनहेतुना तन्तुनानेन मम जीवनहेतुना तन्तुनानेन मम जीवनहेतुना.
Our
We
family
wanted
members.
an intimate wedding, so it is happening. Just the bride and the groom and our family members.
திருமண கொண்டாட்டம்